Ben, I am very stressed.
What happened, Sam? Is everything okay?
My friend's Gmail account got hacked, and now he can't even open his email.
Oh, that's really a problem.
Yes, and now I am scared. What if my account also gets hacked?
Look, Sam, there's no need to panic. If you do one simple thing, you can make your account much more secure.
Really? What thing?
Add a recovery phone number to your Gmail.
Recovery phone number? What is that?
It is your own phone number which you add to your account. If your account ever gets hacked or you forget your password, you can recover your account using this number.
Oh, okay. So it is very important?
Yes, it is very important. It works like a backup for your account.
Okay, so how do we add it?
Come, I will show you step by step. First of all, open your mobile, go to Google, and search Google Account Settings. Click on the first result. Now you will see the sign-in screen. Enter your email here, and then enter your password. After that, it may ask for your home address. You can enter it if you want or skip it. Then it will ask you to add a profile picture. You can skip this as well for now. If you want us to make a video on how to add address and profile picture, then do comment below. Now you will see this screen. Click on the profile icon on the top right. Now click on Manage your Google account. Now you will see different options. Here you have to go to the Security and Sign-in section. Scroll down a little, and you will see the option of Recovery Phone. See, my account already has a number added, but since you're adding it for the first time, yours will be empty. So click on it. Now enter the phone number which you want to attach with this account. After that, Google will send you a code. Enter that code here and verify. That's it. Your recovery phone number has been added. Now, if you ever forget your password or if there is any issue with your account, you can recover it using this number.
Wow, Ben, that was very easy. Now I understand how important a recovery phone number is. I will go and add my number right now. If you want your account to stay safe, you also need to add it.